All right, welcome to your vendor directory. From here, you can see all your vendors that you have across any different role, any different specialty, all properties are associated with, as well as what your ranking status you have for them. Let's start off by going to add new. Really, all you have to have is a first name, last name, and phone number. That's all you need. You'll then be able to add the vendor. Let me walk you through that. Once you add a vendor, it should open directly to the vendor detail page. You can see it here. You'll have any information you added. You can add additional information if you'd like about their address, their priority for you. Then you need to select a role, whether that's a maintenance role or a cleaning role. Those are really the two most important ones. And then you have different specialty types. This is more for you internally to know what they're capable of doing. And then you select preferred properties that they are maintenance or cleaner for. This is important because this has to be selected as a vendor in order for that vendor to show up as an option when you're setting up a task to be able to submit the task to them. So you select all your important preferred properties. Here you can store any documents from them, licenses, W-2s, anything you'd like. These are invoices. These are more of like invoices if it's like a contractor that you have stored in here. So that way you can see all of your invoices by a specific contractor. You can add various rates about them. This is really internal on your side. They still set their own rates on their side, but this is more just for like your memory. Reviews are reviews you've left them or will leave them as you have them complete tasks for you. And the team tab, you can simply see who you invited. That's the owner. It will create them a vendor portal when you invite them. And then they'll be able to add additional team members on their side if they have other people that work with them. And you'll see those team members here as members. This is not editable, as it says it's really read only. When you first create the vendor, you'll need to come up here and invite them. Invite them via SMS is really the best way. It's kind of the only way that will work because it'll make them jump through hoops if they go through email. So always choose invite via SMS. Here is your specialties, which is just a different view of how you're looking at each of your specialties. So maybe who has electricians, if you're trying to see maybe where you have a gap that you want to fill, or if you have a handyman and you want to change who is a priority, you can simply drag and adjust them there. This is mostly used for understanding where your gaps are and where your priorities are across any given specialty. And that's pretty much a wrap for your vendor directory. As always, there's a guide, there's an explainer video here, and send us any questions, comments, or concerns at the bottom right-hand corner. Thanks.